What you are looking at are memories, in this case pertaining to one individual. This is perhaps the most important memory I've collected. I'd like you to see it.
In all the years Tom's been here, he's never once had a visitor.
You're the doctor, aren't you?
No.
Who are you?
Well, I'm like you, Tom. I'm different.
Prove it. I can make things move without touching them. I can make bad things happen to people who are mean to me. I can speak to snakes too. They find me. Whisper things.
Did you know, sir? Then?
Did I know I just met the most dangerous dark wizard of all time? No.